So here's how we can allow camera access on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this. So naturally, the camera app, we have the basic one, the built-in one, but other apps can also access your camera. And if you open up like Instagram and go to the new story, the app is going to ask you if you want to allow it or not, so you have to decide it there. But then it can all be found in the settings app by, of course, opening up the main page and going to the privacy and security, where camera has its own and a dedicated section. I keep mentioning in my videos that it's not like the main camera toggle in the main settings, because there you change like the quality of the photos and whatnot, but part of the privacy and security and then camera, you can decide which applications have access to your camera, right? So for example, as I said, the social media apps usually require it because there it's kind of like important, usually like, Snapchat or whatever needs to have access, but plenty of other apps too. So this is where you control it. So yeah, that's kind of how it works. Keep in mind that it's not like you never have any idea of what's going on, because you will always get the indicator in case an app is accessing the camera. You can also find it in the control center, and at the top you'll see which app or service has been using your camera and microphone. So it's all visually indicated and you always know which app is accessing it. So that's how you can keep an eye out on this. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.